Seventh chapter, coordinate geometry. First formulas. Okay. First 2 points are given. Two points x1, y1, b x2, y2 are given. Okay. First one, distance formula. Distance, okay, equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Number 2, midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint. And third one, slope. M equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 2 points are given. A x1 y1, b x2 y2 are given. Distance formula means here line segment. This is AB, for example. A x1 y1, b x2 y2. Now distance formula, okay, is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square total root. Midpoint formula. Okay, the 2 points are given. This is line segment joining the points A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Okay, now midpoint. This is midpoint. Okay, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2. First coordinate plus first coordinate by 2. Second coordinate plus second coordinate by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Slope, for example, here like this. A x1 y1, b x2 y2. Okay, this is slope. Okay, slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is 2 points are given. 3 points. Okay, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 are given. Okay, suppose in question 3 points are given. Okay, it is triangle shape. 3 points are given means, for example, A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Suppose, okay, A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. 3 points are given. Area of triangle. Area of triangle formula is half into x1 into plus x2 into plus x3 into. Okay, write y1, y2, y3, y1, y2, y3. x1 means next two numbers, y2 minus y3 formula. x2, what a y2, next two means y3 minus y1. x3 means next two, y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Area of the triangle formula is half into modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. And area of triangle, okay, Heron's formula. Heron's formula means sides are given. Okay, delta equals to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s equals to a plus b plus c by 2 is equals to a plus b plus c by 2. And centroid formula, centroid G equals to, centroid means here medians lines intersect at one point. This is centroid G. Centroid means x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. And here 3 points are given, 3 formulas. 2 points are given, 3 formulas. Okay, and 3 points, for example, like this. Suppose 3 points means here 3 points. For example, this is collinear points. These points are collinear. Collinear means area of triangle equals to 0. That is collinear points. Okay, 3 points are on the same line. That is called collinear. Delta equals to 0. Points x1, y1, x2, y2 and ratio m1 is to m2 is given. 2 points and ratio. For example, 2 points. This is line segment. 2 points. A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Okay, internal point, not midpoint. This is P x comma y. Internal point, internally. Okay, ratio m1. This side is m1, AP is m1, PB equals to m2. Okay, this is P is internal point, not midpoint. Midpoint means simply x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, then that is section formula. Okay, section formula. So what is section formula? 2 points. How to identify 2 points and ratio? Ratio and main important. Ratio is given. Okay, that is section formula. P x comma y equals to x1. So P x comma y equals to m1 into, in this first one, what is that? m1 x2 plus m2 into, in this first coordinate, m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2. First coordinate over. Same as the second coordinate, m1 into y2, m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1. m2 into y1 by m1 plus m2. This is section formula. Very, very important section formula. Between the following pair of points 2, 3 and 4, 1, distance. Okay. Now distance formula. What is distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, here this is x1 y1, x2 y2. Now substitute this one. x2 minus x1, first minus first, that is 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. That is 4 minus 2 means 2 square plus minus 2 whole square. That is square root of 4 plus 4. That is root 8. Root 8 means root 4 into 2. That is 2 root 2. Okay. Now second one. Okay. Second, minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Minus 1, 3. Okay, distance. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, distance formula. Again, same, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X2 minus x1, first one minus first one, minus 1 minus, again minus, and plus 5 whole square plus y2 and 3 minus y1 7 whole square. That is square root of 4 square plus minus 4 whole square, that is 16 plus 16, that is root 32. Root 32 means 16 into 2, that is 4 root 2. Okay, third one, the same distance formula. Okay, distance, okay, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now square root of x2 under 3 minus x1 again minus and plus y2 2 minus y1 is again negative and negative into negative positive 3 whole square, that is 3 plus 2 under 5 square plus 5 square, that is 25 plus 25, that is root 50. Root 50 means one is perfect square number, another one is not perfect square number, that is 5 root 2. Root 50 value is 5 root 2. Next b and minus a comma minus b. Okay. Distance formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay. Now square root of x2 under minus a minus b. B is okay a whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus b whole square. That is minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square. And that is 4a square plus 4b square. Okay. 4 common. A square plus b square. Okay. 4 changes. 2 root a square plus b square. So find the distance 0 comma 0 and 36 comma 15. Okay, same distance formula. What is distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x1 y1 x2 y2. Square root of 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square. That is 36 whole square plus 15 square. Okay, 36 whole square is 36 into 36. 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18 plus 3 21, 18, 9 plus 1 10, 6 9 2 1, 1 2 9 6 plus 225. That is 225 add for 6 plus 5 11, 12, 1 5 2 1. Okay, square root of 1 5 2 1 is 3 31 31s are, for example 1 3 39 39s are, I think 9 9s are 81, 9 3s are 27 plus 3 35, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11, 1 12 5 1. Okay, that is 39. 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma minus 1 are collinear or not. Collinear means 3 points are on same line. 3 points. Okay, A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. These are collinear. Collinear points. Okay. These are collinear points. Okay, here A 1 comma 5, let A 1 comma 5, B 2 comma 3, C minus 2 comma minus 1, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Area of triangle equals to formula 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. 1 by 2 into x1, 1 into y2 minus y3, 3 minus y3 equals to minus 1 and plus x2, x2 equals to 2 into y3 minus 1 minus y1, 5 plus x3 minus 2 into y1, 5 minus y2, 3. Okay, 1 by 2 into 1 into 4 plus 2 into minus 6 minus 2 into 5 minus 3, 2. 1 by 2 into 4 plus into minus minus 2 into 6, 12 minus 4. Okay, 4 cancel. 1 by 2 into minus 12. 1 by 2 into minus modulus of minus 12 means plus 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are. Area of the triangle is 2 and 6 square units. Okay. If area of the triangle equals to 0, that is collinear points. Okay. If area of triangle is not equals to 0, therefore given points are not collinear. Okay. Okay. Here 3 points are given. Given points are on isosceles or not. Okay. Isosceles means two sides are equal. Okay, first one A 5 comma minus 2, B 6 comma 4, C 7 comma minus 2. Okay, 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4, 7 comma minus 2. Okay, first AB distance find out. Okay, A 5 comma minus 2, B 6 comma 4. Now AB distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is, okay, here first one x1, y1, x2, y2, distance formula. 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus of minus, that is plus 2 whole square. That is 1 square plus 6 square. That is 1 plus 36 root 37 distance. AB over BC next. B 6 comma 4, C 7 comma minus 2. Now BC equals to, okay, x1 y1 x2 y2. 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. 7 minus 6 1 square plus minus 6 whole square. That is 1 plus 36. That is root 37 units. CA. Okay, now this one C 7 comma minus 2, A 5 comma minus 2. CR AC distance 5 minus 7 whole square. First one minus first one. Okay, plus second one minus. I already minus means plus whole square. That is minus 2 whole square plus 0 square. That is 4. 4 means 2. Here AB equals to root 37, okay, BC equals to root 37. Therefore, AB equals to BC. If two sides are equal, therefore given points are formed an isosceles triangle. Okay, if AB equals to BC, okay, two sides are equal. Okay, the triangles are, okay, based on sides 3 types. The triangles are based on angles 3 types. Based on side 3 types means first one is, okay, isosceles triangle, okay, equilateral triangle, and third one is scalene triangle. Okay, first one isosceles triangle. Okay, two sides are equal. Okay, here AB equals to BC. Two sides are equal, the triangle name is isosceles triangle. Okay, 3 sides are equal, AB equals to BC equals to CA, that is an equilateral triangle. Okay, three sides are different. AB is not equals to BC is not equals to CA. Three sides are different. That is scale and triangle. Okay, based on sides. Based on angles. Okay, three types. The triangles are three types. One is acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. Okay, acute angle triangle. Okay, less than 90 degrees. That is acute angle triangle. Okay, obtuse angle triangle. One angle is more than 90 degrees, that is called obtuse angle triangle. Right angle triangle. One angle is exactly 90 degrees, that is right angle triangle. Okay, total the triangles are based on sides three types, based on angles three types. Okay. Okay. Question number 6. Show that the following points form an equilateral triangle. Okay, that the points are a comma 0, b minus a comma 0, and c 0 comma a root 3. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. A comma 0, b minus a comma 0, c 0 comma a root 3. First AB distance, a comma 0, b minus a comma 0. AB distance formula, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. AB equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square root of x2, that is minus a, minus x1 a whole square plus y2 minus y1, 0 minus 0 whole square. That is minus a means minus 2a whole square plus 0 square. That is 4a square. 4a square is 2a. AB distance is 2a. Now BC distance, BC minus a comma 0, C 0 comma a root 3. BC equals to square root of, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. 0 minus, again minus and plus a whole square plus a root 3 minus 0 whole square. That is a square plus a root 3 whole square. Okay, that is a square plus a square into 3. That is 3a square. A square plus 3a square. That is root 4a square. That is 2a. Root 4 equals to 2, root a square equals to a. BC over CA, C, a comma root 3, a point, a comma 0. Now distance of CA equals to first one minus first one, a minus 0 whole square, plus second one minus second one, 0 minus a root 3 whole square. That is a square plus minus a root 3 whole square. That is a square plus a square into 3. Square root of a square plus 3a square. That is 4a square. Root 4a square is 2a. Okay. AB equals to 2a, BC equals to 2a, CA equals to 2a. Therefore, AB equals to BC equals to CA. Okay. All sides are equal. Therefore, given points are formed an equilateral triangle. Okay, 4 points are given, taken in order also. Okay, prove that the points say minus 7 comma minus 3, 5 comma 10, 15 comma 8 and 3 comma minus 5 taken in order are the corners of parallelogram. This is order given. Parallelogram. A minus 7 comma minus 3, B 5 comma 10, C 15 comma 8, D 3 comma minus 5. The property of parallelogram is the diagonals midpoint are equal. What is the diagonals? Okay. Diagonal, the midpoint of, okay, AC equals to midpoint of BD. Suppose midpoints are equal, that is given points are parallelogram. Okay. A, how much? Minus 7 comma minus 3. C, how much? 15 comma 8. Okay. B, 5 comma 10. D, 3 comma minus 5. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2. Okay. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is midpoint formula. Okay. Now minus 7 plus 15 by 2, comma minus 3 plus 8 by 2 equals to 5 plus 3 by 2, 10 minus 5 by 2. Okay. This is 8 by 2, 5 by 2. This is also 8 by 2, 5 by 2. Okay, midpoints are equal. Okay, the diagonal midpoints. Okay, midpoints of diagonals are equal. Okay, therefore, given points are formed a parallelogram. Given points are formed a parallelogram. Simply the diagonals midpoint, the points minus 4 comma minus 7, minus 1 comma 2, 8 comma 5, 5 comma minus 4 taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus. Find its area. This is rhombus. Okay, rhombus, properties of rhombus is, okay, suppose here A minus 4 comma minus 7, B minus 1 comma 2, C 8 comma 5, D 5 comma minus 4. Okay, in a rhombus all sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Okay, here all sides are equal. AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. All sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal. Okay, diagonals means AC, the distance of AC equals to the distance of BD is not equal. Okay, here first one, A distance minus 4 comma minus 7, B minus 1 comma 2. Now distance of AB equals to square root of first one minus first one. Okay, minus 1 plus 4 whole square plus 2 plus 7 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is 3 square plus 9 square. Okay, 9 plus 81, that is root 90. AB over BC distance, BC minus 1 comma 2, C 8 comma 5. Now BC distance is x2 minus x1 whole square, 8 plus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 5 minus 2 whole square, that is 9 square plus 3 square, that is 81 plus 9, that is root 90. BC over. Next CD, C 8 comma 5, D 5 comma minus 4. CD equals to square root of 5 minus first one minus first one, 5 minus 8 whole square plus minus 4, y2 minus y1 minus 5 whole square, that is minus 3 whole square plus minus 9 whole square, that is 9 plus 81, that is root 90. CD over DA, D 5 comma minus 4, A is minus 4 comma minus 7. Okay, DA equals to square root of minus 4 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is minus 9 whole square plus 3 square, minus 3 whole square, that is 81 plus 9, that is root 90. Okay, here AB distance, BC distance, CD distance and DA distance are equal. AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Here all sides are equal. Suppose all sides are equal means it is a square or okay rhombus. Okay, rhombus means diagonals are not equal. Okay, in a square diagonals also equal. Here diagonals, what are diagonals? AC, A minus 4 comma minus 7, C 8 comma 5. AC distance square root of 8 plus 4 whole square. Okay, 8 plus 4 whole square plus 5 plus 7 whole square, that is 12 square plus 12 square. Okay, 12 square plus 12 square, that is 144 plus 144, that is root 288. AC over diagonal. Another diagonal BD, B equals to minus 1 comma 2, D equals to 5 comma minus 4. Now BD distance equals to square root of 5 plus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 2 whole square, that is 6 square plus minus 6 whole square, that is 36 plus 36 root 72. Therefore AC is not equals to BD. Okay, AC is not equals to BD. BC equals to CD equals to DA, and diagonals AC equals to not equals to diagonal BD. Okay, all sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Therefore, given points are formed a rhombus. Okay, given points are formed a rhombus. Next, and its area of rhombus. Another question is area of rhombus formula half into D1 into D2, half into, now D1, okay, diagonal, and AC diagonal is root 288 into D2 root 72. Okay, that is 1 by 2 into root 288 into root 72 means 6 root 2. Okay, 6 root 2. 2 ones are, 2 3s are. 3 into root 288 into root 2. That is 3 into 576. Okay. Area of y for which the distance between the points P 2 comma minus 3 and 10 comma y is 10 units. Okay, this is the line segment P 2 comma minus 3, Q 10 comma y, joining the points. Okay, distance given, how much given? 10 units given, and that means PQ equals to 10 units. Okay, PQ equals to 10 units. What is P? 2 comma minus 3, Q 10 comma y equals to 10, square root of, okay, 2 like this, okay, x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2, 10 minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equals to 10, okay, square root of 8 square plus a plus b whole square, y square plus 6y plus 9 equals to 10. Write in order, y square plus 6y plus 9 plus 64 equals to 10. Y square plus 6y plus 73 equals to 10. Squaring on both sides. Okay. Y square plus 6y plus 73 whole square equals to 10 square. Square root to cancel. Y square plus 6y plus 73 equals to 100. Y square plus 6y plus 73 plus 100 changes, minus 100 equals to 0. Y square plus 6y minus 27 equals to 0. Prime factorization method, minus 27 y square. 27 ones are, 3 nines are. Okay, factors. The subtraction of two factors is equals to middle number. 27 minus 1, 26, but not 26 in middle number. 6, 9 minus 3, 6. Here middle sign is positive, highest sign is positive. Okay, lowest is opposite sign. Write y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equals to 0. Y common. Y plus 9. Same bracket. Y plus 9. Now the coefficient of y is minus 3. Y plus 9 into y minus 3 equals to 0. Y plus 9 equals to 0 or y minus 3 equals to 0. Y equals to minus 9 or y equals to 3. Okay, find the radius of the circle whose center is 3, 2 and passes through minus 5, 6. Okay. Here this is circle. Center. Okay. Radius find. Okay, radius. Okay, center O equals to how much? 3, 2. Okay, suppose A, this one is minus 5, 6. Okay, find radius. Radius means distance. AO. Okay, A minus 5, 6. O 3, 2. Okay, now radius. Okay, R equals to distance formula. Minus 5 minus 3 whole square. First one minus first one whole square plus second one minus second one whole square. Minus 8 whole square plus 4 whole square. That is 64 plus 4 fours are 16. That is root 80. Okay, 64 plus 16 root 80. That means 16 into 5. One number is perfect square number, another one is not perfect square number. Root 16 into root 5. Root 16 value 4. 4 root 5 units. Can you draw a triangle with vertices 1, 5, 5, 8, 13, 14? For example, okay. Suppose triangle means A, B, C. AB distance, BC distance, CA distance. Okay. First let A 1, 5, B 5, 8, C 13, 14. First we find AB distance. A 1, 5, B 5, 8. Now second one, BC distance. B 5, 8, C 13, 14. Next, CA distance 13, 14, A 1, 5. Okay. Here AB distance, AB equals to square root of, okay, first one minus first one whole square. 1 minus 5 or 5 minus 1, your wish. Plus 8 minus 5 whole square, that is 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square is 16 plus 9, that is 25. Root 25 value is 5. Okay, next BC. Okay, BC distance, square root of, okay, first one minus first one whole square. Large number minus small number is easy process. Plus 14 minus 8 whole square. 13 minus 5, 8 square. Plus 14 minus 8, 6 square. 8 square is 64. 6 square is 36. That is 100. Root 100 equals to 10. BC over CA distance. Okay, 13 minus 1 whole square plus 14 minus 5 whole square. 13 minus 1 whole square is 12 square plus 9 square. 12 square is 144 plus 81, that is 225. 225 value is 15. Okay, suppose if is it correct or not? AB equals to 5 units, BC equals to 10 units, CA equals to 15. Okay, now AB plus BC equals to 5 plus 10, 15. 15 equals to CA. Therefore, given points are not formed a triangle, because AB plus BC is greater than CA. This is the condition. The sum of any two sides is greater than third side. Okay, the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. That is the triangle property. But here the sum of two sides equals to another side. The sum of two sides equals to third side. Therefore, given points are not formed a triangle. Find the relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the points minus 2 comma 8 and minus 3 comma 5. Okay, same equidistance. P x comma y. This is a point, minus 2 comma 8. B minus 3 comma minus 5. Equidistant given. Okay, PA equals to PB. Okay, PA equals to PB given. This one is equidistant. Okay, P x comma y, A minus 2 comma 8. P x comma y, B minus 3 comma minus 5. Okay, now equidistant formula. Okay, here distance formula, PA distance, x2 minus x1 whole square or x1 minus x2 whole square, or the difference of abscissa whole square minus the difference of ordinate whole square plus y minus 8 whole square equals to x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Okay, squaring on both sides, root cancel, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square total root whole square equals to square root of x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. Okay, total root to square root to cancel. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus 4 plus a square minus 2ab plus b square and 64. Here a plus b whole square, x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 10y plus 25. Just expansion, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here x square cancel, y square cancel. Now remaining 4x left side, 4x minus 16y plus 4 plus 64 plus 68 equals to 6x plus 10y. Okay, 9 plus 25, 34. Okay, 34. Now x terms one side, x and y terms one side, constant also one side. 4x minus 16y minus 6x minus 10y equals to 34 plus 68 changes, minus 68. 4x minus 6x minus 2x minus 16y minus 10y minus 26y equals to minus 34. Okay, minus 2 common. Here minus 2 common. X plus 13y equals to minus 34. Minus cancel. Okay, x plus 13y equals to 34. Here 2 is multiplication. Now change into division. 2 1s are 2 17s are. X plus 13y equals to 17.